Hey, I'm Jamie Deen, and Teresa's caught back up with me here in the chicken box. We're talking about the big game and what are some delicious things that you can prepare easily at home to carry off to your party for the big game. Lots of different things. We've already done a salsa for this season. Oh my gosh, I've done so many tailgating things. Today, I haven't done this for tailgating yet. Deviled eggs. Mama said wicked hens laid deviled eggs. And today we're going to check out this recipe that uses a little bit of the salsa that we've made in an earlier video for y'all. These are Southwest deviled eggs. Really easy to put together and delicious. Y'all, we've got 6 eggs. We've cut them in half. I've taken the yolks out. I need 1.5 tablespoons of sour cream. Gonna put about 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise in here. I don't know if we're gonna need a whole third. I'm gonna go. Let's see how that whips out. We're also gonna add 2 tablespoons. Let me get a clean spoon. 2 tablespoons of the salsa that we've made. This is fresh tomatoes, onions, cilantro, jalapenos. Got some lime juice in it. Spectacular flavor. A little bit of cumin, which I love too. This is going to be a very robust deviled egg. Mainly, I just made them with a little mayonnaise, a little mustard, a little salt and pepper. But, ooh, yeah. Also, cheese. How much cheese am I going to put in there? 3 tablespoons of shredded cheese. God, that is Southwestern. Got our salsa, got our sour cream, got our cheese, our egg yolks. This is really good looking. I had to put a little bit too much liquid in here, but it'll work. I think it's from our salsa. I didn't take time to drain off the fresh salsa that we made. Now, before I pipe this, we're gonna taste it and make sure that it's got some flavor that I like. Delicious. Let's take a quick break here. I'm gonna put together a piping bag and we'll get our egg stuff. That doesn't need one thing but my lips on it. See y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. As usual, I missed something. Thank to goodness Teresa's here. You've got a little bit of green onion that we're gonna add in here. I like to have a little bit of onion. So now that we've got that working, that looks really pretty. Let's do the old piping bag trick. Okay, so I have our Ziploc bag here. I'm gonna take a quarter off right there. There's lots of different ways y'all could do this. This sure is the easiest way to do it. Just make yourself a little piping bag. You can spoon it in if you want. Lord knows I've done it that way a million times. Work this down into our corner, and voila. It's a little loose. It's been sitting on the counter, and once I put these in the fridge, it'll tighten up for us. I made my hole for my piping a little bit bigger because don't forget we have homemade salsa in here. This is a little bit more chunky. All right, y'all. I got it all piped in there. Cut a little bit of green onion. I put just a punch of black pepper on top of it. Isn't that awesome? And I have this container which makes it so easy. Pack up, and we're out the door for the big game. So what do you think? Deviled eggs this year? Go deviled eggs. Hey, thanks for tuning in today, y'all. I'm Jamie Deen. This is Good Food. I'll see y'all around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.